Hey everyone.
I wanted to make a quick, short and sweet video of how to check the continuity of your blade style fuses. Sometimes, especially in my truck, underneath the dash, there used to be a cover that showed what each fuse did, and now it's missing. So if something stops working, to help diag it, you want to check fuses for the blade style. This is a quick way to do it. You're gonna grab your multimeter. Make sure you're gonna need longer probes right on your multimeter just to get into the crevices of these blade style, some of these blade style fuses. So we're gonna take our multimeter, we're gonna put it to the continuity mode right here, right? We're gonna grab the probes and we're just gonna touch both of the metal ends of each blade style fuse. So you can see here, it'll make a noise, right? When there's continuity there, that means the fuse is good. So again, you're gonna set it to continuity, right? It's gonna check that the metal is connected on both sides, so the fuse is good. So again, you're gonna grab longer probes because you need to get in here, and you're just gonna press on both sides to see if you have continuity, and that means the fuse is good. Because sometimes, the fuse diagram's missing or you can't find it for your car. You need to help diag something, and this is a really quick and easy way to do it, and that's it. So hopefully this was helpful. It was helpful for me when I read about it and learned about it, and you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.